In this video I'm going to show how to set up snapping for Merging Maps mobile app. Capturing data in the field using Merging Maps mobile app can be easier if you can snap the vertices of new features to existing geometries. Snapping can also help you avoid creating topological errors in your dataset. The snapping settings are set up in the Project Properties. Go to Project Properties. There navigate to the Merging Maps tab. You'll find a section on snapping. In the drop-down for the snapping settings, you can choose Basic Snapping or Follow QGIS Snapping. Here we will first look at Basic Snapping, which means that features are snapped to the vertices and segments of vector features in the project. Let's save the project and synchronize to the cloud. Now you can synchronize the project with your mobile phone and see how it works. When capturing a new feature near an existing one, the crosshair will turn purple and snap to its vertex or to its segment. The basic snapping option snaps to vertices and segments within 20 pixels. If you want more control, you can set up Follow QGIS Snapping. In that way, Merging Maps will use the snapping preferences defined in the QGIS project. There are two ways to set snapping in QGIS. A common way is to go to the View menu, Toolbars and choose Snapping Toolbar. Another way is to use Project Snapping Options. There switch on the snapping and change all layers to Advanced Configuration. Here you can set the snapping per layer. So if you only want to snap to hedges, you can check the box before hedges. With type you can choose vertex or segment or both of them. At tolerance you can set the snapping tolerance, and with units you can control the units of the tolerance. In this way you can have more control on the snapping using the QGIS snapping configuration.